Setting costs and prices for stock items in Tally Prime involves configuring rates for buying and selling items. Here is how you can set costs and prices in Tally Prime. Setting purchase and selling rates. Times purchase rate. When you create or edit a stock item, you can specify the purchase rate, which is the cost at which you acquire the item from your suppliers. Times selling rates. You can set multiple selling rates for each stock item based on different scenarios, such as selling to different customers, regions, or at different times. These rates can include MRP, maximum retail price, standard selling price, and any other rates you want to track. Creating or editing stock items. Times go to Gateway of Tally Master's stock items. Times select the stock item for which you want to set costs and prices or create a new stock item. Setting purchase rate. Times in the stock item details screen, enter the purchase rate in the appropriate field. Setting selling rates. Times in the stock item details screen, you'll see options to set multiple selling rates. Times enter the rates based on your pricing structure. Times you might also set rates for different units of measurement if applicable. Tax inclusive and exclusive rates. Times Tally Prime allows you to set rates as tax inclusive or exclusive. Times ensure you choose the appropriate tax calculation method for accurate pricing. Stock reports and analysis. Times after setting costs and prices, you can generate stock reports that show the purchase and selling rates of each item. Times this helps you monitor profitability and make informed pricing decisions. Rounding off and decimal places. Times you can configure rounding off methods and decimal places for rates in Tally Prime to ensure accuracy in calculations.